Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to do an unboxing for you guys on the October Boxycharm. Now the thing about Boxycharm is that they're gonna have a few changes in November, so I'm gonna talk about that in a minute. But subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when my videos post. Also follow me on my Instagram handles, I'll link them right here, and also you can follow me on Twitter. Also, if you are watching this, there may be a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned to the end. Focus, there we go. So here's my box, and I already saw some previews and sneak peeks on this, and there's some girls that I watch on YouTube and they predict, like they get this hunch like what's gonna be the next month's box, and some of them nailed it. Like they got it. I don't know how, but they must know somebody working in Boxycharm, because that's just crazy how they just be knowing what's going to be in the next month's box. So here is the little pamphlet that it comes in the box every month. So this is basically introducing the Boxycharm Premium. So what this says here, I'm going to read it real fast for you guys. It says beauty box worth over $175 value for only $35, and is limited quantity starting in November, and you can sign up with Boxycharm / premium. So you go to the website and then you type in premium afterwards, or you could just go to your account and it would pop up with premium. So it says introducing Boxycharm 2.0, better customization, more choice. So it tells you like 5 bullet points on the actual, like what's it talking about with Boxycharm. So it's saying value, customization, choice, add-ons, and boxy pop-ups. So with the next month's box, I mean, from what it seems like, you can get both boxes. That's what I was reading in Instagram, in their Boxycharm Instagram. They're saying that you can pay $25 from, I could be wrong, but you correct me in the comments. You pay $25 for the original box and then $35 for the premium box. So altogether that's like $55 to $60, around there, plus if you want to add tax and stuff. I could be wrong. Maybe you paying $35 for 2 boxes and I'm just a dumbass. I don't know, but I like that one of them that they did add on there, and I already did mine, is that you can choose an item for your premium box. So, and I noticed you could do the same thing for the regular boxes now. So you can choose an item and then you could do an add-on. Now you don't need to get one of the options, add on all of the other awesome options at the amazing price of $3 to $18 each. So I think that's only when you just buy it. But then they also got this thing called Boxy Pop-Up. So it says now shop Boxy Pop-Up every quarter. Enjoy makeup, skincare, lifestyle products at the 80% of the next Boxy Pop-Up in November. So now when you open it, you see everything that you have here. So the theme of this is after dark. So I don't know. And then they're encouraging you to get Facetune 2 if you are trying to upgrade or you're trying to Facetune for the first time. So it says tag Boxy after dark for a chance to be featured. So that's that, and I already saw what's in my box because I got mine 2 weeks ago and I just didn't film it until now, so I'm gonna tell you what I got. The first item that I chose, you can choose whether it was the iconic London spray. It's like an illuminating spray and you shake it, it looks like lava or whatever. And then there's another one which is the Touch and Soul Balm. So I chose the balm, and this one is the Glassy Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, and this retails for, it says, an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. I really like their primer that I talked about, this one right here. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It leaves my skin so smooth, and it does look like I have a very like flat canvas and there's no texture involved in anything. And this one, it says, is a glassy skin balm. So I'm gonna have to try this out tomorrow because I already have on like makeup and stuff. I don't want to take it off and then do it again. But yeah, so $32 for Touch and So. I like that they're incorporating this brand a lot more. I do have their other primer, but it's like a more liquidy one that they came in the other box not too long ago. So definitely excited for that. This next item is the iconic London, what is this, lip plumping gloss, and I like that this is in a nude color. It says the iconic lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. And it's $26. I don't know why I read so slow and then read fast. So let me see if this smells like peppermint. Yep, smells like peppermint. I like this shade. It's like this peachy shade, but it's so light and like sheer, but yet I like colors like this. And hopefully my finger doesn't start getting tingly, but if it does, that means it works. So yeah, I feel it. Yes, it's like that strong peppermint smell. If you don't like that, you're not gonna like this. It does linger. The next item that I did receive, I am disappointed because I already had this in like the very beginning when I signed up for Boxycharm, in my terms, and then I see it again. I'm like, okay, I feel like they just threw this in here because they just wanted to get rid of stuff. So this is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I already have a mask from them. Like, I don't understand why did they have to throw this in there. It says the super moisturizing strengthening leave-in conditioner provides reparative benefits and beyond. Is unique formulation of micro encapsulated argan oil and an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae, blah 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 blah. Okay, so it retails for $16 for this size, and this is 2 ounces, so you can travel with this if you do have curly hair or you do like Briogeo products and you just want to bring something with during traveling, and then you don't want to use the one from the hotel. This is really good. I mean, yeah, it's liquid, and this is more for like leave-in. It's a leave-in mask, but some people probably use it for conditioning, like before styling. So it says spray throughout freshly washed and damped hair, which yeah, I figure. So at least I have another product from Briogeo because it's pretty expensive. Like they retail for really high. So the next product, some people were pissed about this. They said that this is like drugstore price. Let me see. Okay, so this is the Luna by Luna eyeliner. This is in the shade, so this looks like a blue eyeliner. If it's blue and it's dark, then I don't mind it because I have other eyeliners, but I could use more. Oh, that's how it looks. So that does not look blue to me. This is like black, like a off black, right? Yeah. The heck? So this is in the shade Pegasus. I don't know. It's black, but why is it in a blue maybe that's their packaging overall on their website, maybe? Well, it's 16 bucks. It says it's 24-hour wear, and they are available in 2 gorgeous shades, baby blue and charcoal black. Oh my god, I was right. The next and last product, I already own this. I'm gonna give it away. I'm probably gonna do it on Instagram because this is just one product. I'm going to give away the Dose of Colors Baked Browns palette, and this is how it looks. I'm not gonna open it because I already own this, but this is the back of it, and I really like this palette. I own all of them. Like, they do sell it in a bundle, but the fact that you can get this in Boxycharm, like, that says a lot. Okay, I did open it just now, but not touch it because I heard something. I thought like an eyeshadow was broken, but I didn't touch nothing. But anyway, so I'm gonna give this away on my Instagram. So once you see this video and you see that I did you know, post this, you can enter it. US only, and it's gonna go running for a week, and I will announce the winner on my Instagram page, and I'm also gonna announce it on here just in case anybody wants to know. This is everything that I got in my box for this month, and I'm gonna post the amount, how much it came out to right here on the box itself, so you can see how much it came out to, because I know people are like, okay, how much yours cost, what did you get? Mine says 11 with a heart on it, so if you were wondering. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and also, like I said, follow me on my social medias, and I'm gonna be giving away the Dose of Colors Baked Browns palette. That was all that stuff that fell. Like I said, I'm gonna be giving away this palette, the Dose of Colors Baked Browns palette, and if you want to enter, definitely go follow me on Instagram and check out all the information on the post. You're gonna see a post just me posting this and maybe some other things in there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Listen, camera, I don't know why you're not focusing. I've been trying to watch myself focus for the past 2 minutes and you're not focusing. Focus.